Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Nurfiansa. I'm from class 6B, English Literature. I want to explain my recent find by the title English Talk Blended Learning. Blended learning, definition of blended learning, characteristic of blended learning, benefit of blended learning, structure of blended learning, form of application of blended learning in learning innovation, design learning with blended learning. Definition of blended learning, etymological, the term blended learning consists of two words, namely blended and learning. The word blending means a mixture together to improve the quality so that it gets better. Collins Dictionary, or the formula of a combination or combination, Elizabeth Oxford English Dictionary, learning the content element of mixing or combining one further item with another. What is mixed Elena? Said the what was mixed were two main elements, namely classroom learning. The definition of blended learning according to Harding, blended learning is a learning approach that integrates traditional face-to-face learning and distance learning that use online learning resource and variety of communication options that can be used by teacher and student. According to Gammer and OK, blended learning is a learning environment designed to combine face-to-face learning with online learning that aim to improve student learning outcomes. Bang and Graham define blended learning as a combination of two teaching and learning model, traditional learning system and distributed learning system on the role of technology, computer. In simple terms, it can be said that blended learning is learning that combines face-to-face conversational learning, where between educator and student interact directly with each other. Each can exchange information about learning material, independent learning with a variety of different models for weight as well as online self-study. In blended learning, there are 6 elements that must be present. Face-to-face, learn to be independent, application, tutorial, comparison, evaluation. Characteristic of blended learning, according to Sarfan, the characteristics of blended learning. Provision of supplementary resource for related learning program along traditional lines. Most third institutional support for virtual learning environment. Transformative learning practical practice level is supported by deep learning design, a holistic view of technology to support learning. Blended learning characters in general. Learning to combine various modes of delivery learning models, learn style and various technology-based media. Its combination of directly learning face-to-face, independent learning and independent learning via online. Learning supported by an effective combination of delivery methods, teaching methods and learning styles. Teacher and variant of learning participants have the same important role. Teacher as facilitator and variant as supporter. Benefit of blended learning. Learning activities can be done anywhere so time can be more efficient. Can facilitates learning activities because students can be more cheerful and save energy. Learning budgets can be more efficient because student activities are usually waiver, reward, and trip to location can be allocated. Benefit of blended learning. Discussion activities are online or offline and take place outside class halls. Teacher can manage and control the learning the student, although classroom learning have to be flexible to take the advantage of online teaching material. Learning become flexible and not girl. The step in design blended learning, pembelajaran teacher of upload learning material assessment and the keyword school application. The teacher informs students to study the material that has been uploaded, either directly or indirectly via the GUI for school application. The teacher checks student attention. The teacher explains the teaching material by explaining the learning objective that will be had by student in the material. The teacher motivates and guides students to get all the additional information and work with and solve to a problem too difficult or student to tell the teacher appreciates the success of student in doing assessment. The teacher provides its evaluation to the Quiver School application, informing quiz and essay that have been prepared. Blended learning yaitu ada 5 yang kita ketahui bahwasanya pengertian dari blended learning, ciri blended learning, manfaat blended learning, struktur blended learning, bentuk-bentuk penerapan blended learning dalam inovasi pembelajaran, merancang pembelajaran dengan blended learning. Blended learning secara etimologi itu terdiri dari 2 kata, yaitu blended dan learning. Kata blended berarti campuran bersama untuk meningkatkan kualitas agar bertambah baik, atau formula suatu penyelesaian, kombinasi atau perpaduan. Learning memiliki makna umum yakni belajar dengan demikian safinitas. Belajar menggunakan unsur pencampuran atau penggabungan antar satu pola dengan pola yang lain. Adapun pengertian blended learning menurut Harding Galaxy dan Ward 2005, blended learning merupakan pendekatan pembelajaran yang mengintegrasikan pembelajaran tradisional tatap muka dan pembelajaran jarak jauh yang menggunakan sumber belajar online dan beragam pilih komunikasi yang dapat digunakan oleh guru dan mahasiswa. Secara sederhana dapat dikatakan bahwa blended learning adalah pembelajaran yang mengkombinasikan antara tatap muka, pembelajaran secara konvensional di mana antara pendidik dan peserta didik saling berinteraksi secara langsung. Masing-masing dapat bertukar informasi mengenai bahan-bahan pembelajaran. Belajar mandiri, belajar dengan berbagai modul yang telah disediakan, serta belajar mandiri secara online. Adapun pembagian dari blended learning itu ada 6 unsur. Unsur yang pertama ada namanya itu tatap muka biasa. Yang kedua itu belajar mandiri. Yang ketiga aplikasi. Yang keempat tutorial, kerjasama, dan evaluasi. Adapun ciri-ciri blended learning menurut Sarven dalam Rusman Characters blended learning, ketetapan sumber suplemen untuk program belajar yang berhubungan selama garis pendukung lingkungan belajar virtual, perpaduan penyeluruh tentang teknologi untuk mendukung pembelajaran. Adapun manfaat blended learning, pertama itu ada aktivitas pembelajaran dapat dilakukan di mana saja sehingga waktu bisa lebih efisien ataupun lebih baik lagi. Yang kedua, dapat memudahkan dalam aktivitas pembelajaran karena siswa bisa lebih ceria dan hemat tenaga. Yang ketiga itu ada anggaran pembelajaran bisa lebih efisien karena aktivitas siswa biasa laporan dengan kertas dan perjalanan ke lokasi bisa dialokasikan. Adapun manfaat blended learning, kegiatan diskusi secara online, offline, dan berlangsung di luar jam pelajaran. Peserta didik memiliki keleluasaan untuk memanfaatkan bahan ajar online. Pengajar dapat mengelola mengontrol pembelajaran yang dilakukan siswa di luar jam pembelajaran. Pembelajaran menjadi luas dan tidak kaku. Terus ada selanjutnya itu merancang pembelajaran dengan blended learning. Yang pertama menetapkan macam-macam dan materi bahan ajar, menetapkan rancang blended learning yang akan digunakan, menetapkan format online learning, melakukan uji terhadap rancangan yang dibuat, menyelenggarakan blended learning dengan baik, menyiapkan kriteria evaluasi pelaksanaan blended learning. Adapun contoh-contohnya, guru mengupload material pembelajaran tugas-tugas pada aplikasi Quiver School. Guru menginformasikan kepada siswa untuk mempelajari materi yang sudah diupload baik secara langsung maupun tidak. Terus guru mengecek kehadiran siswa, guru menjelaskan materi ajaran dengan menerapkan tujuan pembelajaran yang akan dicapai siswa dalam materi. Dan lebih banyak lagi contoh-contoh yang lebih baik untuk menerapkan blended learning. Saya rasa mungkin sampai sini research plan saya. Saya tutup by reciting hamdalah alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.